Okay, hi guys, what's up today in this video after quick? We're going to look at the puffy slime, blue slime, this toy, and this crystal slime. So let's get right into it. So first we've got this puffy slime. Puffy slime. It's really stretchy. It's like that unicorn one that how it stares out. It's normal stuffy.
Let me know, they're about this big, a lot tinier. They're like a pea, or like a ball bearing, or like if you've ever seen a mouse ball.
Okay.
Incredibly tiny. They're like
Okay, so guys, yeah.
Little girls have balls. So if you find little tiny girl balls that are so fucking tiny and shriveled up, let me know, because I'll put them right back up his story.
Knock it off, Mullins.
How about you do something for me?
Okay, so guys, just don't listen to her. It's just a little movie. Just a movie that my mum always wanted to watch. And it's about boys. Boys. Slime. Slime. Schooling. Melma. Oh, it's non-toxic, non-toxic. Do not eat or drink. Yeah, we know that because it's very like slime. Okay, so now we are going to be looking at the poo slime. Do you guys look first? Is it gross? Is it gross? Guys, where have you gone? It's just a lump of poo. It's the poo slime.
Taking down a guy like Rojas when we had just wasted all this time when I could have stopped the drug lord, dangerous, and supplied. Bullshit. Oh, really? Who? Come. Hey, girl, get some bull poo. How does that look? Huh? See that? Oh, come on. I gotta keep you. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I'm very sorry. Wait a minute. It's a bar. No, absolutely not. No. I do not know who Simon Martin. That would probably be because of the I know the
Okay, so guys, let's just put this back in. Okay, push it in. So, okay, so I've done that one. So we don't need to look at the top. Oh yeah, we do. So just like mess about with it, something like that. Like pretend it's now we look at this crystal super slime. Crystal no metallic super slime. Metallica super slime. Okay, so guys, after moving goes back a bit. Move back a bit and move that back.
no one will be getting their mail today.
Good bird. You got burned, you big drunk Patty. My fucking Irish.
So we are good?
Okay, so guys, I cannot put this in there. Yeah, I can now.